Yeah. Fly money. Fly money. Yeah. Young Chills, young real. It's your young boy, yeah, he's so skilled with the punchlines, with the crunch line. He go in when the hotline. 1-800, the boy got the hotlines. And tell these little niggas on the line. I took my time cause the boy was on the hot grind. Had to take some time out before that hot time run out. Tell you what I'm about getting that guap and a lot of clout. Cause real recognize real, and if you do see that, then you see chills. That's mine if I wanna ask. Tell these little niggas that I got swag, and I ain't scared to go and throw it in a bag like my nigga Fab. On Levi jeans and V-necks and the Levi jeans and the crew neck sweaters, snapbacks on and getting cheddar, young and getting cheddar. Levi's on and a crew neck sweater, and I'm young with the swag and I'm getting cheddar. Mama said it'll be days like this when I will get money like this. These niggas is so hungry and they mad, they pissed cause they ain't getting no type of chips without the dip. Tell these little niggas I can dip in the whip that's color of mango chip. Oh, that was ill kind of punchline. Tell these little niggas that I got mine. In this beef I pop nines to a nigga right spine, blow through a hole through his right mind. Tell these little niggas bitches ain't just like Genuine to go see them. Niggas that'll fucking die and ride for them. Kill a nigga quick cause it said get them. True religion on plus the Mac denims. And tell me who's flyer than that. Not Chilzy, Mick fly from the sky high with them. Come smoke good high with them. Zigzag doobies on spot raps and we zigzag doobies of weed smokes a do me. Tell these little niggas I only fuck with cuties, skinny, slim waist in the ass, real cutie, big with a fat old booty. Fly game. Basement beats. Fuck with them niggas heavy, man. They gonna probably be all over that. Back to the Notebook Part 2. Fuck with him heavy. Cause this right here crazy. I'll hop in a minute. Fly Game, Young Chills, and I'm out.